Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to gift someone on IMVU. If you are trying to send a gift to someone on IMVU, then make sure to follow along till the end. First of all, open up your IMVU application on your smartphone and log into your account. After you're logged in, go ahead and open up your friend list and find the friend or the user you want to send a gift to. I'm just going to open up this person's profile. Go to the gift button from their profile section at the bottom and then send the gift by choosing from your credits, wishlist or Vcoin. Enter the gift amount you are trying to send and then in the message box at the bottom, you can go ahead and add additional message to send your friend. After typing down the message, click on the send button at the bottom of the screen. You can send any gifts that you have available. You can send your wishlist items, credits or Vcoin to anyone you want. Once sent, your friend will receive a notification and the item will appear in their inventory. Remember that you should only gift the person you trust. Never share your account info or request gift in returns. This will keep your IMVU experience safe and fun. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to gift someone on IMVU mobile. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.